All right, I'm walking around with Miss Val.
No, we want to
Video, this is Miss Val.
Oh, you want to share with everybody? Yes. Okay.
No.
That's all back. Oh, yeah, that should be under.
Yeah, you can take it out.
Let me take that right here.
Pastor Kevin is always on a mission. I promise you. He's always on a mission.
Yeah, there it is.
Woman on a mission.
Yeah.
Bernice Hughes, we at the Finley building. Youth with a mission. They out here, they making this thing happen.
Hey, Finley, when you talk about youth with a mission, okay?
Okay.
Youth.
To refurbish it like the one next door. That was done about a year ago, I guess. Obviously, most of you have seen the gym. It's in pretty good shape. We've run some programs out of that this past summer. A few guys in the neighborhood had a basketball league for the kids. So that needs very minimal work to continue to have it up and running. And so it's just taking it one step at a time, not to get overwhelmed. I try not to go out the door and look at the building too much. It kind of discourages me.